In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog page on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to start a personal blog, share your passion with the world, or create a blog for your business, setting it up on Google Sites is both straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the process, step by step, so you can have your blog up and running in no time. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites. You can do this by typing Google Sites into your search bar and clicking on the link that appears. If you prefer, you can also go directly to sites.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Google Sites homepage. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to sign in using your Google account to access all the features. The next step is to select a site to work on. This could be a new project you're starting from scratch, or an existing site you wish to add a blog to. Find the site you want to modify or create on the dashboard and click on it. By doing so, you'll open the site editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and find the Pages option. Go ahead and click on Pages, which will open a list of pages associated with your site. This section allows you to manage the structure of your website, such as adding new pages or rearranging existing ones. To create your new blog page, look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon enables you to add a new page to your site. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your new page. Here, you can type in blog or any other name you wish to use for your blog page. Once you've named your page, simply click Done, and your page will be added to the site. At this point, your blog page is set up, and it will appear in the list of pages on your site. Now you can start customizing your blog by adding text, images, or other elements to match the content and style you have in mind. This process only takes a few minutes, and soon enough, you'll have a dedicated space on your site for sharing posts, updates, or anything else you'd like to include on your blog. Remember, Google Sites makes it easy to customize and rearrange your content, so feel free to experiment with different layouts and features to best illustrate your ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.